What's up, guys? What's up? YouTube? Yes. It's your boy, Uncle Elroy 410, coming to you live from Harley Davidson. Yes, that's right. Over here at the dealership. Just leaving out and peekaboo. Yep, we got something to do today, guys. So picked up something for the Road Glide. I just couldn't do it no more, guys. So once we get back to the garage, we can go ahead and see what we got going on, see what we just picked up, and get to work. All right, guys. Check you later. All right. What's up? All right, guys. We're back. We are back in the garage. And now I get to show you what we just picked up. Boom. You see it. Big tab in the house. Big tab performance. 50 cows with the zombie baffles. Yes, that's right. The zombies. I want to see how they are first, because I'm going to decide whether I want to keep them in or not. Because I am so tired of this thing sounding like spacely sprockets. No, my bike should not sound like that. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. We are going to be making my bike sound less like the Jetsons. That's ironic. But sound more like a Harley. All right, guys, let's get to work. All right, time for the unboxing. Let's see how this goes. Jesus, this thing is freaking huge, dude. Sheesh. I thought those tips were big. Get these cannons. Ooh, all right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna leave all this plastic on here for installing, but man, with the black tips, yes, y'all. I can't wait to get these things on here. These things are freaking huge. And they got the tab on the tips. So yes, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but tabs right there on the tips. I like them. Black on black on black. So we're gonna leave these here. We're gonna take the old ones off. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to give y'all a good, quick, cold start with what we got on there. Now, what we got on here is the Screaming Eagles from the factories, from the dealership. Came with that. It makes no noise whatsoever. And I personally think that might be a safety issue as well, because people need to hear you coming. People were like swerving in my lane and all types of stuff. They didn't even know I was there. So, get y'all a cold start. Y'all can see why. And then we're going to give y'all the after once we put that thing up in.
And listen, good credit, bad credit, divorce, repo.
Alright, that's what she sound like. I did take the silencer plates off, but other than that, pretty much bones stopped. So, time to get to work. Take this off, see if we can get it sound a little better. Right, and just like that, there you have it. And you can see, not a real big difference. I do like how they sit though. So, same way we did this one, we want to do the other side. And like I say, it doesn't take much for you to do these things, guys. You can just really get you a basic set of tools, make sure that you have the proper tools, and most of this stuff is connected dots ABC. Now, when it gets over your head, make sure you take it to a professional. But if it's things that you look at and you're semi-mechanically inclined, you can do this stuff, guys. So, with that, we're going to finish up this other side, and we're going to call it a day. But first, yes, once I'm done with this, you guys will definitely get to hear the new pipes. All right, guys, let me get back to work. All right, guys, we're back. Now we got both sides on. We are ready to hear what these things sound like. So as you can see, that one, and that one. Really, really simple, guys. 2 bolts on the heat shield. Lower it down. The 2 bolts holding up your exhaust, your 2 brackets. Unloosen the exhaust clamp. Slide it out. Reverse. Really simple, guys. So if we're all ready, let's get to hear what this beast sounds like now. guys, there you have it. So that's gonna do it for this one. That is the new sounding exhaust. If y'all want to take a look at them right there, nice and cooling. And I like how they fill out the space. They fill out the cuts. They sound amazing. And man, I am very satisfied. And I just got to take both of them around the block real quick. Take her and her around the block real quick. But it's freaking 40 degrees, so it's still cold. But that's going to do it for you guys. And as promised, I'm glad you stayed to the end because you are in for a treat. That's right. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And once we make 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away, drum roll, a PS5. Yes, that's right. PS5, still in the box, brand new. Yes. Once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving a raffle. All you got to do is purchase a ticket, and you are in the raffle to win a PS5. Yes, that's right, a PS5. Now, I don't know. If you're older, you just like bikes, you can't do nothing with it, give it to your kid. If you're a kid, it's a free PS5. Either way, you guys should be happy with that. I know I'm going to love to give it to someone. I can't wait. So on our road to 1,000 subscribers, and once we hit that, we will be giving away the PS5. So like, comment, subscribe, and make sure that you enter to win for your chance to win a PS5 on me. All the jets, holla at you. Keep it on twos.